My name is Amaal Abukar and I work at Silatech. So Silatech is a social initiative that is based in Qatar. We focus on enterprise development and we provide youth with financial and non-financial services. We're quite pleased to have Shuraako as well as the US Embassy basically host this amazing event for Somalis and Somali in general. So having investors, businessmen, as well as young entrepreneurs being at this event, connecting with each other to kind of learn what type of services are available in Somalia, what type of investments should be done in Somalia, and what type of challenges young entrepreneurs face within this region. Silatech was hosting the Youth Entrepreneurship Workshop for the Somali Investment Forum. It was quite interesting to see, what type of issues young entrepreneurs face. We had different voices, different solutions, and how to tackle such a issue within the entrepreneurial ecosystem in Somalia. So it was quite interesting to hear from different voices, young entrepreneurs as well as investors, donors who are really engaging in this whole discussion. We quite heard a lot of challenges young entrepreneurs face. The most information we kind of gathered and the challenges were faced, like how can we get access to finance? Where can we actually get finance in order for them to start a business? So that's one of the challenges young entrepreneurs face in Somalia, especially if they want to start an open business. Where can you get it? So we kind of briefly explained the services that Silatech provides, as well as what type of services are available in Somalia ecosystem. We learned a lot from this forum, and we're amazed to see how many people came together for this event, to see Somali investors, as well as young entrepreneurs, as well as investors to come together to discuss this issue they face in Somalia. Having such an event, Somali Investment Forum, held in Nairobi, Kenya, for Somalis, young entrepreneurs, investors, it's quite interesting to see how young entrepreneurs are able to connect with investors as well as vice versa. What I want to see is more young entrepreneurs, especially in Somalia or even diaspora, go back to Somalia, help the community out, such as, for example, me going back to my home country, able to help them out the service they require. And I think we would like to see more in our community in Somalia, as well as the community, the diaspora in the West, who want to go back and just contribute to the country as well. It was lovely to have Shuraako as well as US Embassy to invite us here to this amazing event. We should have more of these events in the future, but hopefully in Somalia next time. That'd be a good one.